So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Instagram Feed Pro WordPress plugin and show you some of the things that it can do. So I've just installed the plugin and I'm going to go to the Instagram Feed menu here on the left. And the two things you need to display your Instagram photos are an access token and either a user ID or a hashtag. So to get your access token and user ID, you just need to click on the blue Instagram login button here and log into your Instagram account. And that will send back your access token and the user ID for the account that you just logged into. You can then copy and paste your access token into the access token field, and the same with your user ID. If you want to use a user ID from a different Instagram account, then you can use this tool here to enter the username of the Instagram account you want to display your photos from, and it will send you back your Instagram user ID for that account. So I'm going to actually display the photos from the Vimeo Instagram account. So I'm going to enter that in there. So if I save the changes and then go to the next step, and I'll just run through some of the customization options. So you can set the width, height, or background color of the feed. You can set how to sort photos from the newest to oldest or random. The number of photos to display, so we'll set this to be 9. The number of columns, the image resolution, the padding or spacing around the images, the hover background color, so we'll make that red for now. The text color, we'll make that yellow. And also whether or not to hide specific photos, whether or not to show the caption and the maximum text length of the caption, also the text color and size, whether to show the like and comment icons and their color, so we'll just set this to be kind of a pinky color for now, and also their size, whether to show the header for the feed and the color, also some customization options for the load more button and the follow button, along with being able to set custom text for each. There are also sections to add your own custom CSS or custom JavaScript to the plugin. So if I save the changes and I can go to the final step. So if I grab this Instagram feed shortcode here, I'm just going to paste that into any post, page, or widget where I want the feed to display. So I'm going to go to my pages, and I have a page set up here already. I'm just going to paste in my shortcode, and when I view the page, you'll see the Instagram feed appear. So as you can see, we have 9 photos in 3 columns, and I can choose to load more, and I can expand or contract the caption below each post. And you can see that the customization options that we set have been applied. So I can expand each photo up, scroll through. And you'll see at the bottom we have a share link with options to share the photo to different social media networks. Also a link to view the photo directly on Instagram. It also contains full HTML5 video support.
Something's happening here? It's a little different. What is it?
And the feed is also fully responsive, so will adjust to the size of your screen. So another great feature of the plugin is that you can display photos from multiple user IDs or hashtags within the same feed. So if I go back to the settings page now, and I'll enter a second user ID. This is for the Nike Instagram page. I'll click Save Changes, and I'll go back to the page and refresh. So now you'll see we have a mixture of photos from the Vimeo feed and also from the Nike feed. And these are mixed in and ordered chronologically. You can do the same thing for hashtags and display multiple hashtags by separating them by a comma. Another great feature of the plugin is that you can display multiple Instagram feeds either on the same page or different pages of your site. On the display your feed section here, you'll see a table of shortcode options, and you can use these to change the settings in a specific feed. So for example, I can display a second feed on my page by going to my WordPress widgets page, selecting the default WordPress text widget, and then pasting in my shortcode. So this is the Instagram feed shortcode, and I'm displaying photos from a hashtag. That hashtag is cows. The number of columns is 1. The number of photos is 6. And I'm deciding not to show the caption. So if I save that and go back to my page, you'll see that I now have a second feed on my page, which is displaying the 6 most recent photos from the cows hashtag. So hopefully this gives you an idea of just how customizable and powerful this plugin is. Be sure to try out your own Instagram ID in the demo on the smashballoon.com website. And if you have any questions, then feel free to get in touch via the contact form on the website or hit us up at smashballoon on Twitter.